Using Old Navy Super Cash online is a straightforward process that can help you save money on your purchases. To get started, make sure you have an Old Navy account and have earned Super Cash through their rewards program. First, log into your Old Navy account on their website. If you do not have an account, create one to access your Super Cash balance. Once logged in, navigate to the Super Cash section of your account to view your available balance. Next, start shopping on the Old Navy website and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. When you are ready to check out, click on the cart icon and review your items on the checkout page. You will see an option to apply Super Cash to your purchase. Click on the Apply Super Cash button and select the amount of Super Cash you want to use. Keep in mind that Super Cash can only be used on certain items and has an expiration date. So make sure to review the terms and conditions before applying it to your purchase. After applying your Super Cash, review your order total to ensure the discount has been applied correctly. If everything looks correct, proceed to payment and complete your purchase. To maximize your savings, consider using your Super Cash during special promotions or on items that are already on sale. Additionally, make sure to use your Super Cash before it expires, as it cannot be redeemed after the expiration date. By following these simple steps, you can easily use your Old Navy Super Cash online and save money on your purchases. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your Super Cash to ensure you are getting the most out of your rewards.